All right, so here are some popular Jamaican documents and how long they will take to be ready if you are living overseas. And when I say overseas, I don't just mean Canada, US, and UK. I mean pretty much any country in the world. Now, the first document is the Jamaican passport. There is adult renewal, there is adult renewal with name change, there is minor renewal, minor to adult renewal, lost, stolen, and damaged. Now, an adult renewal with no name change, you can get this one done faster. This could take 3 to 5 weeks. If you are a minor now and you're getting another minor passport, that will take longer. If your current passport is a minor and you're getting your first adult passport, this will also take long. So minor to adult, minor, lost, stolen, damaged, adult with name change, adult renewal with name change, these will all take longer because the application form has to be filled out, certified, and sent into the Jamaican consulate responsible for your city. The consulate in Miami takes long. So I would estimate anywhere from 3 months to 5 months. The consulate in New York is a little faster, so I would go 2 months to 4 months. The embassy in Washington, D.C. will take anywhere from 2 months to 4 months as well. London will take long, so I'm going to go 2 to 4 months. And then there are other consulates. The next document is a TRN. A TRN can be ready the TRN number is ready in about 2 weeks once the application is received. The application has to be sent down to Jamaica. Again, this is for persons who are overseas. So the TRN number is assigned as soon as the application is received. However, the card will take around 6 to 8 weeks to come to you because their mailing is straight from Jamaica. If you have a family member pick it up, they still have to wait for the card and then they'll ship it to you, factor in the shipping time. A driver's license can be done same day in Kingston, factor in the time it will take you to mail the application to Jamaica to your family, how long they will take to go to the tax office, and how long they will take to mail it back. Due to technical difficulties, the rest of this video will be a voiceover. Alright, so the TRN is mailed to you and that one could take 6 to 8 weeks. If you have a family member do it, like I said, it all depends on how long they take to mail it and what process they use. If you're having a family member mail anything to you from Jamaica, please insist that they use a courier service like DHL or FedEx. Alright, so now documents from the registrar: birth, adoption, marriage. All of these certificates, death certificates, they're all going to take anywhere from 2 weeks to 3 weeks. You might see it takes 7 to 10 days, but in reality, you have to factor in the shipping time and the delivery time. Our job at 876 Documents is to assist you so these documents are done in the most expeditious manner. Hit us up if you need assistance. Our number is in the bio. I'm Gail of 876 Documents. I'll make another video talking about some other Jamaican documents and how long they take. Thanks for watching. Bye.